guys, so welcome back to this channel right now, right here. Right now I'm showing you guys how you could actually make more money online. Failing examinations. Now you are writing examinations, but you don't want to get those examinations. You don't want to get them correctly, but you want to actually fail them. So this is what this platform is actually paying you for. Yes, guys. So I'm showing you guys how you could actually do it right now, right here in this video today. And if you're new here, you are literally welcome. And if you're my subscribers, welcome back. So I'm Emmanuel, guys. I create content all around making cool cash online, making money online. Those tips and strategies, just ways, those income streams, just business ideas for you to actually do and make more money for yourself, sitting right in your parlor or even your house. Yes, guys. So I will show you guys how you can actually do it. I'm hoping that you guys can do it and get the exact same results. So let me say that without much ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. Please smash on the like button so that all people can actually see it. More people can actually see it and interact with us. And then the huge background is going to hit us. So, right. So with that being said, guys, let's get into my screen so I can actually show you guys this platform. This is not that kind of long video, I think, and this is just a video to actually show you guys this platform. And maybe in the next video or in the future video, guys, if you guys actually love this one, please, if you love it, please like the video and also share the video. And if you are new here, please join the family by subscribing to the channel. Yes, guys. So let's get into my screen so I can show you guys how this platform actually works. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so welcome back to my screen right now, right here. And please before we start off this video, you need to know that please, okay, just to support me, guys, please just like this video, just like the video. And if you find any part of this video very, very helpful, you can actually hit the subscribe button, that red subscribe button below, and also turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is being published to this channel. Now with that being said, guys, let's get straight into what I'm talking about now. Guys, this thing is actually being a evaluator on this platform. Now what I mean evaluator is that you could actually come here to this platform and search for jobs. There are over a whole lot. When I checked the classes, were over thousands of jobs literally on that platform. But please just sit down very well, watch these videos from the beginning to the end so you could learn everything about it. Now you could actually make up to $500 from just one job, but you've got to work for it. Yeah, that's just the truth about this online space. Now what I'm showing you guys right now is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is going to be helping you to make a whole lot of passive income for you. And that's if you continue doing it always and you are going to be making more money for yourself. Now what I'm talking about is that this platform here is going to be making you money to be a secret evaluator. Now what I mean is that this platform will actually give you jobs to actually go to companies, maybe Nigerian companies, anywhere you are from the whole world, guys. It actually accepts from the whole world, but I don't know for maybe for the future or when you're watching this video, but you can actually check it out for yourself. It's a big company, over 5 years right now, I think. And I don't really know when it's actually started, but I think it's more than 5 years for now, because I have actually seen. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's dive into the platform. I want to actually show you guys this platform so you can actually know what you are doing on this platform. And let's get into it, guys. So this is Bear International. Now Bear International is a platform that pays you to evaluate it pays you to evaluate companies. Now these companies can be hotels. Now let's use hotels as an example. Now hotels hotels will actually sign up on Bear International. So when they sign up on Bear International, they literally need people to actually evaluate their platform, to evaluate their company, sorry, that's their hotel, to tell them how their hotel actually works, tell them more about their hotel so they could know how. That's just the nitty-gritty about being a big businessman or something out there, or a perfect company, because you need to know where the pitfalls are. You need to know what your platform or your company is actually lacking behind. Yeah, so guys, this is where this Pay International actually comes in. It will actually pay evaluators to evaluate these platforms, and you can actually write examinations and fail those examinations and get paid. Now this is what I'm talking about. Let's go to Bear International and let's just show you guys some things about it. As you can see, it does custom, research solution for your unique business needs. Now that's what I just explained right now, that you as a businessman, you as a hotel owner, you can come here, or a platform or a company owner, you can come here to hire people to evaluate your platform, and they make money. That's you as an evaluator make more money for yourself. And also leverage bears 35 years of customer. Wow, guys, I was talking about 5 years, but this is over 35 years of experience. Wow. All right, so put your global evaluator workforce to work for you. Now they have over 500,000 people. Now 500 ready to go evaluators. Yes, guys, so there are a whole lot of jobs for you to do out here, and you are going to be making more money for yourself. Just stick to this video. You are going to be learning, and you are going to be making more money for yourself. You can actually check it out for yourself. I just actually needed to show you guys this platform so you could actually make more money for yourself. I have so many videos at the background which I'm actually making, but it will actually come little by little, because I don't really need to rush anyone here, but at least every day, by God's grace. Yeah, so how can Bear International help your business? Now explore Bear International. Now let's just explore these stuffs now, so you guys you can see for yourself. So evaluators, click here. Now if you're an evaluator, you want to actually be an evaluator, you click on this space here right now. So let's go in a new tab. Now this is it here right now, and it will show you guys how you can actually be an evaluator. But before that, let's show you guys, let's go back to where we are, and what are you waiting for? That's literally, you are going to be making more money as a mystery shopper, a customer surveyor, a customer surveyor, face-to-face interviews, and social media monitoring, QA, that's question and answer, brand audits, field work support service. Yeah, literally that's what you're going to be doing for yourself, and all of them they will make you more money, they'll make you cool cash. Yeah, so these are all the platforms which they are in cooperation with, and that's just the cool thing about this platform. Even with Sony, guys, there are a whole lot of platforms here, so they hold a whole lot of over 50,000 evaluators completed worldwide. That's every month. Each month, over 50,000 evaluators work here. Now, if you want to actually join this, you can actually request a quote from them, and you can actually request to become an evaluator. That's if you click on this button right now to take you to where you can actually fill the form and you sign up for an evaluator. And if you want to actually work at this Bear, Bear International, you can also enter, and this is actually the space for you to actually work. I don't really know if it's actually for US only, but I just know about the evaluators job, and I just needed to tell you guys about it so you could actually come over, and if you don't have anything doing for yourself right now, you can actually come over to this platform and make more money for yourself. So Bear International, evaluators since 2003. Yeah, that's the evaluators. But Bear International has been there for over 35 years, guys, and this is a whole lot. Okay. And now 6 benefits of being a Bear International evaluator. Okay, so extra income. You are going to be in with transparent evaluation system that helps you improve your work and ensures fair democratic scheduling. Yeah, now and this is also fun work. It's actually fun to work. Like they can actually pay, they are going to pay you for your traveling anywhere around the world. They'll pay you there, and your to and fro, eating there, everything, your accommodations, your feeding cash and everything. And then it's just a way of relaxing and making more money for yourself. And this is feel valued. You are going to be feeling valued. That's just the truth. With competition increasing daily, you are still going to be filled. You are still going to be valued. You are still a valuable asset to this company. Literally to these companies, not even to this company, but literally to all these companies actually working here, and looking for customers to tell them how their platform actually is, and it's actually a fair pay system. Yeah, Bear International ensures reasonable compensations and maintains secure and accurate financial control system, and flexible hours. Enjoy full control over dates, deadlines, payments, and workload. Professional reputation. Bear International has a solid intro in industry and reputation, and it's known for its credibility, stability, and variability of opportunities. Variety of opportunities. Yeah, that's literally it. And you can actually watch this video for you to actually check it out. It's on YouTube also, and you can watch it. So that's literally what Bear International actually is. Bear International is a big platform for you to actually do for per transaction. Okay, let's show you guys these jobs, and this is the local bank transfer. As you can see, you can get your payment through local bank transfer, but I don't really know for Nigerians. And through Nigeria, if you want to actually make money here through from Nigeria on any third world country or African country, you could actually collect request for payments through Pioneer and directly into your local bank account. That's all. From Pioneer, you can get it directly into your local bank account. That's what I mean, guys. So this is local bank transfer available for evaluators with bank accounts in the US in USD currency only, and it's actually free. The charges, no charges, and paper check, there is $3 per transaction. PayPal fee, and different things, guys. There are a whole lot. Just come over to this platform, and you will be learning a whole lot for yourself. Now this is also wire transfer. This wire transfer, there are a whole lot, guys. So just try to come here and sign up. So just click on apply now, and it will take you there to actually new evaluators registration. So now you just click on English, and you just enter your email address here, and I click on realdominionaudu@gmail.com, and then I click on go. It says please select your country of residence. I'm not going to be signing up. I'm just showing you guys how this actually is, because I already have an account, but I'm just creating a new account with my mail. This is Nigeria, because I'm a Nigerian right here, Nigerian YouTuber, and this is full name space. You just click in your type in your full name. Sorry guys, I just clicked on the wrong stuff. Okay, and first name, you put it there. You put your first name there. You middle initial. You can actually put your middle initial there, anything you actually want. Then your last name also, you can put your last name, and then you're choosing the password for you, just a strong password. You can actually use Google to get your strong password. And address line 1, you can actually put in anything you want. Just literally put in anything, and put in anything you want. That's make sure it's very, very correct. Yes, guys, make sure it's very, very correct. And everything here, guys, is exactly also for Nigerians. And thank you very much for watching. And I hope you guys have learned a whole lot, and I hope you would actually subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's why I'm actually reminding you now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon so you could get notified by YouTube whenever a new video is being published to this channel. With that being said, guys, without any other further ado, if you are new here, you're welcome. To my 10 subscribers, welcome back. Now that'll be all, guys. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and peace.